Welcome students in the second video lecture of Unit 2, First Aid and Emergency. In last video lecture, we have studied about what is first aid. Do you remember what is first aid? First aid is the immediate help given to an injured or sick person before the medical help becomes available. So what is first aid? First aid is the immediate help given to an injured or sick person before the medical help becomes available. First aid is important as sometimes it saves the life of an victim. Then we have studied about first aid measures in cuts and wounds. Then we studied what we have to do in case of burns. Then we have studied what we have to do in case of any break in a bone called a fracture. Do you remember it? Now today we will study about what we have to do during an dehydration. Do you know what is dehydration? As we know, our body has almost 70% of water. Dehydration occurs when we lose more fluid from our body than we take in. What is dehydration? Dehydration occurs when we lose more fluid from our body than we take in. Now, what is the first aid measure in dehydration? First, drink plenty of water. Second, give ORS to a patient. This ORS sachet is available in a nearby chemist shop or medical store. At home, we can make a solution by adding some sugar and salt in water. Take the patient to the hospital. What we have to do during dehydration? Drink plenty of water. Give ORS to patient. This ORS is available in the nearby medical stores. At home, we can make a solution by adding some sugar and salt in water. Take the patient to the hospital. Now, first aid measure in animal bites. Immediately wash the bitten part with an antiseptic soap and water to wash away the germs. Immediately wash the bitten part with an antiseptic soap and water to wash away the germs. Apply an antiseptic cream on the wound to prevent infection. Immediately take the victim to the doctor. So you know what we have to do during animal bites? First, immediately wash the bitten part with an antiseptic soap and water to remove any germs. Second, apply an antiseptic cream on the bitten part to prevent infection. And finally, we have immediately moved the victim to the nearby hospital or to the doctor. Now, insect bite. First thing, we have to move to a safe area so as to prevent further bite. Because if you remain in the same area, the insect may bite again. So first we have to move to a safe area to prevent further bites. Second, wash the area with soap and water. Third, apply antiseptic cream or lotion. What we have to do during insect bite? Move to a safe area to prevent further bites. Wash the area with soap and water. Apply antiseptic cream or lotion. Now, snake bite. Most important thing is during snake bite, do not panic. Make the victim to lie still as any movement causes the person to spread blood faster. So what we have to do? Do not panic. Make the victim lie still because any movement causes the blood to move towards the heart faster. Apply a tight bandage just above the bite to stop the flow of blood to the heart. Look at this. We have to apply a band-aid just above the bitten part so that the blood do not move towards the heart. This is very important. And last, immediately take the victim to the nearby hospital. So today we have studied what we have to do during first dehydration, second animal bite, third insect bite, and fourth snake bite. Have a good day. Thank you.